going to be my thing. Who's got the hand warmers?
I only got enough for one day's hunt.
Dad, we need your extra hand warmers.
I don't have any.
Oh, you guys stinge on those. I shared mine with Lance and Evan the whole season.
They're expensive.
Yeah, they cleaned me out.
You know what?
And then I'm in need, and no one wants to give me
I
some.
think for all you guys.
All me and Jude need is 2 packs each.
Yeah, well, I don't have. All I did was brought just enough for each day.
We're gonna freeze. We're heading out. Good luck. Alright, Jude, grab your gun. You got your ammo? Yeah. Alright. It's like a beautiful winter wonderland out here. Look at this. And we're gonna go try to get some does this morning. It's the 12th of December here in Wisconsin. We're here for the ANTLER-LESS special season. It snowed last night, it's still snowing right now, and the wind's roaring out of the northwest. Hopefully we can still get a crack at one. We didn't get anything during the regular 9-day gun season, so we're back out here and we're looking for a mature doe. Got my son, he's got the gun. Alright, we're ready to rock. This has, remember during gun, this was not a very good stand for the morning. Only the first day was the good one. Then we saw everything in the evening. Shh, shh, shh. Dude, here. Get your gun. I didn't see what they wanted.
Straight in our property.
Just get your gun up.
They were nice dogs.
They just came running down there. Okay, okay. Hold on. They're little ones.
That one's nice.
They're little.
Really?
Yeah. Dude, my camera's not turned on. I didn't get any footage of them.
Where are they? I see them.
Where are they?
Right back there. I saw one. They're running towards Middle Marsh. Not going up.
They're just playing their little fawns.
Yeah.
I don't see them now. They're running back in there. It's so hard with these pines. Yeah, they're just little ones. I don't know where the second one went. That's pretty cool, huh?
Did I put down the gun?
Yeah. Are you on it?
No, I don't see it.
It's on the trail walking to the right. Watch for a second one.
You see it?
You're gonna come here. Can you get shots to the right?
Maybe.
It could be coming right here. You might want to move to this one. Here, it's right here, Jude. You see it? Come right here to this window.
Where is it?
It's straight down. You'll see it walking. It's walking this way. You see it walking right there. See this pine tree?
Yeah.
It's to the left of the pine tree. See it walking? Right there.
Where?
Okay, it's gonna pop out this side of the pine tree.
Okay.
I don't see it. Hard to see out this window with all the snow built up on it.
I'm on it.
Hold up. Whenever you're ready, pull back the hammer.
Right now.
Yeah, pull it all the way back. Shoot it on its shoulder.
Okay. No.
Hold up, hold up.
Just about to pull the trigger.
It's right here.
Where? What is it?
Hold up, hold up. Where is it?
It's running. Needs to stop.
Are you on it?
Yep.
Okay, shoot whenever you're ready. Shoot whenever you're ready. It's right there. It's stopped.
There's a tree in the way.
Whenever you're ready. It's going away now.
Crap.
That's okay.
Can I shoot?
If you're on it.
Oh, it started moving again. No. No.
It's still moving.
I don't have a shot now.
Okay, up there.
I can't see anymore.
I see it right here.
I can't have the gun over your head this way.
Okay, hold up, hold up. We can.
God, the stupid squirrels.
A squirrel gotcha.
Yes.
Alright. I don't know if you can see that focus. It's like 8:15 in the morning. It's been a way better morning than I was expecting. I wasn't expecting to see much because during the regular season here, mornings were no good. But so far this morning, we've seen five deer. And I'm just saying they're all does, but one of them might have been a spike buck. I'm not sure if it was the horns are 3 inches or smaller, but if it is, we'll take a spike buck. We had 2 little fawns come running around playing us around our stand, just running like mad. It's just amazing how quick they can run through this stuff. Yeah, we're gonna probably stay out for sure another hour. Alright, we just got done taking a quick nap. It's like 1:30 and we're heading back out to the stand for the afternoon hunt, so looks like it. I mean, I think the snow's pretty much done. So nice throw. Anywho, snow is done. We're gonna sneak back out there and hopefully we can get some redemption at one of those does we didn't get this morning. Alright, we'll see you up there. I think I forgot my phone. Yeah, I think I forgot my phone. Must have left it sitting there. Good thing you got your phone, right? Yeah, you do. Oh well. Me and Jude just got back in the stand. I think it's like almost 2 o'clock. The snow has subsided. It's a little less windier, but it's still a bit breezy. We didn't see any fresh tracks coming in, so I'm hoping we've got back in here before these deer maybe get up early afternoon just to stretch their legs and stuff. It's beautiful out. This is the only evening.
Standing right in there.
Okay, we got a deer. I'm gonna put this up here. Hold on, I gotta get the camera. Where's my camera?
Is that a shooter?
Let me look. Yeah, it's a shooter. Alright, hold on. I wanna get on it.
Can I pull back the hammer?
Pull back the hammer. When you're ready.
I can shoot.
Okay, hold on. I'm gonna push record. Alright, whenever you're ready. Whenever.
I was right on his shoulder.
You hit it. It did a mule kick. Where did it go?
It's running back there. See it?
Yep, let it go. Were you on its shoulder?
Yep. It's standing there.
Okay, hold on. You drilled it.
I did?
I think you did it mule kicked.
Oh my god. We were in the stand for 5 minutes.
I was on it good until it got behind this board. Oh my god, we were literally doing just the opening thing. We've been in the stand for not even 5 minutes.
Oh my god. I just tried to grab a deer. Can I put the gun down?
Put the gun down. I'm gonna reload it.
Let's go.
Buddy,
Yes.
how do you feel?
I don't have words anymore.
Proud of my son here that we've been hunting so hard all through the 9-day gun season, the youth hunt in Minnesota, and it's all worth it if this thing's down. So we're hoping we can find it. We're excited. He feels like it was a good shot. I feel like it was a good shot. Let's go check for blood. Here's where she was standing. And he shot her and she mule kicked and went this way. First blood. It's hard in the snow. Here's first blood. More blood. She turned right here. Okay. Stay off to the side of it though, okay? see her.
Really?
I see her. Keep following, you guys.
Yeah. Oh, she's right there. She's right there, Grandpa. Right there.
Oh, right there. Way to go, Juders. Juder. Congratulations.
It looks a little smaller than what I was thinking.
It fell there. And then it tried to get up again.
It didn't go far.
No. It's a good one.
Mom's gonna be so happy.
She's gonna be ecstatic, dude.
Yep.
Second deer of your life.